Greetings fellow Decepticons, SoundBlaster1987 here, and welcome to video number 200 on my channel. This is Kyu the Weapon, the 3-part 9-way modular weapon for the Uchu Sentai Kyuranger Sentai team. Kyu being the Japanese word for the number 9, so obviously that should tie into pretty much all of the stuff to do with the main rangers of that series. So, this weapon comes in 3 pieces and comes with a Kyutama globe, which I'll show off in a moment. The main 3 pieces of the weapon are the Kyu Shot, the standard weapon of the Pink Ranger on its own, which can also extend this blade to become the Green Ranger's Kyu Rapier weapon. I'll show off the other forms once I've got the lights and sound switched on. Then there's this piece, which forms the Crossbow, Axe, and part of the, Kyu Sword, as well as the Kyu Claw for the, Gold, Black and Blue Rangers, and the Red Ranger. And this is the Slasher Blade, which forms part of the Spear, Sword, Slasher and Sickle configurations. Much like the blades of the Power Rangers Mystic Force Magistaff weapon, this can swivel on a diagonal axis to become 90 degrees like so, which I'll show off later for obvious reasons. So, this particular set comes with the Galileo or telescope Kyutama, so spin slide and the constellation of a telescope is formed. If I shine a bright light through the back, you'll be able to see some stars through this telescope Kyutama as well. Bear with me while I grab my phone's flashlight feature. And as you can see, there are some stars tampographed on the clear plastic piece in the back of the Kyutama globe, like so. Just switch this off to save the battery. And now I can start out with the electronics of this set. So, speakers on this side, battery cover and on switcher on this side, switch it on, and this little piece here will start to glow red. Apologies to everyone watching this video with headphones, because it's going to get very noisy from this point onwards. So, to build the Kyu Sword for Red Ranger's weapon, first attach the axe blade like so, then the slasher blade goes on top of the axe. Axe blade's on backwards so the screw holes are the wrong way. So, then slasher blade goes on top of the axe and Kyu Sword. Now we are in the Red Ranger's weapon mode. Press the trigger again and whoops, hang on. You've got to be careful about holding the trigger because that's what turns it into the other modes. So, to attach the Kyutama for the Galaxy final attack, attach the Kyutama to this piece here, and this little black latch at the top here is what triggers the sound effect. It doesn't respond to the individual Kyutamas any differently than it would this one, so don't bother trying to search out more sounds for this one. Only the Phaser Blaster reacts differently to different Kyutamas because of the pin combination on the bottom of them. So, that's the Red Ranger's weapon. To deactivate the Kyutama, you have to squeeze these spring-loaded latches on both sides of where the Kyutama is attached to disconnect it like so. Which, of course, comes with a powering down sound. Next, the Kyu Spear belongs to the Orange Ranger, so to activate this form properly, we need to take off the axe blade, separate the axe from the slasher blade, reattach the slasher blade like so, and then extend the rapier like so. And now we're in the Orange Ranger's Spear mode. To prove for the Galaxy final attack sound will be the same no matter which Q-Timer you plug into it, I'll be using the Sasori Orange Q-Timer that I got from the Rinateo set from my previous review. Link in the description below. If you try to hold the trigger with the Q-Timer attached, it'll go into the Galaxy final attack noise again. So that's the Kyu Spear. Now for the next one. The Kyu Claw is the Blue Ranger's weapon. So detach the Slasher Blade, retract the Rapier, turn this thing upside down, attach the Axe Blade like so, and bring these pieces up. Now this is the Blue Ranger's Kyu Claw weapon. That's the sound effect that the Blue Ranger's weapon makes. So, to go into the Galaxy mode, and that's what it sounds like to use the Blue Ranger's Kyu Claw in Galaxy Final Attack. Next, Kyu Crossbow, the Gold Ranger's weapon. Being a crossbow, it fires electrical energy bolts like the Yellow Mystic Ranger's weapon from Power Rangers Mystic Force, which was also a crossbow. So, Galaxy. The Kyu Axe is the Black Ranger's weapon, so detach from this end and reattach to this end like so. The Black Ranger is the biggest and bulkiest of the lot, so obviously his attacks are the loudest and the most prominent. So, for the Galaxy attack, next, Kyu Sickle is the Silver Ranger's weapon, so remove the Axe Blade, reattach the Slasher Blade like so, and then rotate this 90 degrees and extend the Rapier Blade like so. Bit of a wobbly sound effect there, I don't know why, but regardless, for the Galaxy attack for Hebitsukai Silver, regardless of which form the weapon is in or which Q-Timer is attached with the Galaxy sound, this light will always glow red. Kyu Rapier is the Green Ranger's weapon. For those who don't know, a rapier is a very thin and flexible fencing sword. So just remove the sickle and flip this upside down. Imagine that this translucent blue rubber piece is about 3 times longer than it actually is. Somehow I think the Kyu Rapier and Kyu Sickle sound effects were reversed. The wobbling sound effect at the end of the Sickle's attack should have been for this one in my opinion. So, to attach the Q-Timer to the bottom end of it this time for the Galaxy attack. Almost there, just 2 more forms to go now. So, next, the Kyu Shot is just the handle of the weapon on its own and is the Pink Ranger's weapon. So basically in Kyu Shot form, this piece that the axe blade would attach to for the Kyu Crossbow mode is the barrel of the Kyu Shot for the Pink Ranger's version of the weapon. Like so. So for the Galaxy attack, just one more now. The Kyu Slasher is a food knife or dagger type weapon and belongs to the Yellow Ranger, so just attach this like so. And now you're ready to slice and dice for Dark Empire. Or Dark Matter Empire rather. So, one more time for the Galaxy attack. And that concludes Kyuranger's Kyu for weapon. Although there are fan modes that you can invent for, like what if Koguma Sky Blue, Ryu Violet or Ho-Oh Soldier use this weapon, these are the 9 official forms used by the main rangers of the team. So with that said, I have been Sandblaster1987, thank you for watching my 200th video, and next time I'll be returning to the series of Super Sentai that have been adapted into Power Rangers with Pleasure 1, the Japanese release of the Plesio Charge Megazord from Power Rangers Dino Charge. Till then, till all are one, and may the power protect you, always.